Hi, welcome to TunesKit channel. In this video, I'll show you 5 ways to fix a bricked iPhone. Method 1. Force restart iPhone. For iPhone 8 and latest models, quickly press and release the volume up button, and do the same to the volume down button. Now, press and hold the side button until an Apple logo appears. For iPhone 7 and 7 Plus, simultaneously, press and hold the volume down button and the wake button until an Apple logo displays on your screen. For iPhone 5 and older models, now, press the wake button and the home button at the same time until an Apple logo shows at the center of your iPhone screen. Method 2. Use TunesKit iOS System Recovery. Open the TunesKit official website and download iOS System Recovery. iOS System Recovery can fix 150 plus iOS problems and get your device back to normal without data loss. Step 1. Connect iPhone to computer. Next, choose iOS System Repair. Choose Devices Problems, then click the Start button. Next, choose the Standard Mode. Step 2. Ensure the given information is corresponding to your device, then download the firmware package. Step 3. Repair iPhone. When the download is complete, click the Repair. The TunesKit iOS System Recovery will start to fix your iPhone. Method 3. Charge your iPhone. Since unlimited power is a cause for iPhone bricked, it would be better to ensure that your iPhone is not deprived of the necessary amount of power. Method 4. Use iTunes to unlock. Step 1. Connect your iPhone to your computer. iTunes will detect your iPhone and a detection prompt will appear. Step 2. Click Restore iPhone to restore your iPhone. When iTunes completes the restore, the lock on your iPhone will be cleared. But this method will cause all your iPhone content to be deleted. You'd better back up your content. Method 5. Put iPhone into DFU mode. Step 1. Connect iPhone to your computer. For iPhone 7, 8 or later, hold down the power button and volume down button for 10 seconds. Then release the power button and keep holding down volume button for 5 seconds. When the screen is dark, you are already in DFU mode. The iPhone screen flickering is fixed. For iPhone 6s or earlier, hold down the home and power buttons together for 10 seconds. Then release the power button and hold the home button for 5 seconds. When the screen is dark, you are already in DFU mode. The iPhone stuck on preparing update will be fixed. That's it for today's video tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and ring the bell. Let us know what tutorials you'd like to see next in the comments below.